to a Tamil Brahman Iyengar family in Erode, Mysore State, British India. His full name was Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. His father, Uppuswamy Srinivasa Iyengar, originally from Tanjavur district, worked as a clerk in a saree shop. His mother, Gomalatamal, was a housewife and sang at a local temple. He was studied in Government Art College, Trinity College at Cambridge. His academic advisors are G.H. Hardy and J.E. Littlewood. He got the award Fellow of the Royal Society in 1980. On 14th July 1909, Ramanujan married Janaki Ammal. After the marriage, Ramanujan developed a hydroxylate disease. He had numerous health problems throughout his life. He was died on 26 April 1920 at the age of 32 years in Kumbakonam, Tanjavur district, Madras Presidency, British India. Thank you for giving this such a wonderful opportunity.